Welcome back, guys, to Wrld TV, and today we're here with another banger called Favor for My Son. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let we know how the movie go, right? Yes, watch the ads, guys. And also, guys, if you know, call Powell's Wellness. Powell's Wellness, Nelsie has natural hair. Nobody on the screen call now. All of the good remedy they have over the phone. Everything from meal support, belly flat first, when for cancer, for fibroids, for cysts, all of them. Everything where you can think of. Blood, diabetes, everything. And remember, subscribe. You not only watch and subscribe, now subscribe. Alright. My son, my nice, handsome son.
This kind of hard for me to leave you right now, I swear. Even though I know say you're kind of sickly.
No, yes, sit down, Toga, sit down. Put this over here, so. Why? I'm happy for you still now, I'm happy. When you finally get a chance to go make yourself better.
I know it's a long time now. I sign up for you. I don't even remember. And the people then call me and remind me.
Well, you get the opportunity, so make sure you use up your wise. Next thing, I'm glad, I'm happy, I'm proud of you. Because I don't really want to go back in our history now. But me remember when me and your dirty papa did the one time a little boy. And me give him all of my saving to go over upon the farm work. And me look about everything for him. Me look about him passport, him visa, and when I time he can't find his birth certificate, and me have to go back down there, go make sure it says sort out. You see, I don't even plane ticket for buy. Me now. That I a little pitness, so you barely come out of Pampas the time there. And I can't believe say boy follow people and run off over there left me. I cannot believe it. And even though I run off over there, when you do come back, nothing. Somebody have to move on with my life.
Mommy, I tell you the truth. Me have no time around the left me. You even look on me even there work at home. And your landlord throw you out and you gone in the hospital. And me have left me good work. Come down here, come put you in my house.
I understand, you know, son. Because even when I come here, you know, and your girlfriend there, your girlfriend begs and left, and me feel a way about that. Imagine, after the landlord throw me out, and me have a son, and my son, you put a bed in here to make sure say me have somewhere to put my head. Me could never believe say your girlfriend would have just get up and gone and say, no space no there. Right now, me tell her up till today, I feel a way about it.
Mommy, she was a good girl, but she never good enough to understand say you're my mother and you're sick. She just pack up and gone just so.
Yeah, me feel a way still, me not lie. Because you see folks say I sick, a stroke, or minor strokes, me have and send me to hospital. I try to look out for me, and then it just throw me off. Me I tell her.
Me feel a way, but me not feel a way. Because if she weren't good enough, she would understand and stick you out with me.
And then the landlord did throw me out, so why?
But mommy, enough for that, yeah, man. Me I give you 20,000. I borrow, mommy.
Toga, you borrow money again?
I just borrow it from my driver. Even though 1 month worth of food there, I still a give the 20,000 as backup. Cause me not have no more money in my account. My account dry. Music look about all like paperwork them to go over.
I understand.
Every single thing me use. And the next thing to me, know you and daddy have a history back then. Just listen, mommy.
Yeah, listen.
You know have a history and whatever, and just through me and I mix, you don't even deal more time and heal than one another. You see me? So, I'm going to ask him, please, because he have a good job and I'm going to ask him, please, give me over so until I settle myself and can send back money to my yard if he can give us some money a week time or month time when you're low on funds.
No bother go there, son. No bother with it. Me find a way till I can send money.
Listen to me, man. Swallow your pride, no, mommy.
But swallow which one I
Just
pride?
relax, no. He just come and let off the money and go back. Nothing further than
Listen
that.
to me now. You see, if him come call let have money over here, me no want the woman when have what they feel like say me and him in a business, you know. Cause me know how woman stay, cause me would have feel the same too. Me move on with my life and he move on with film life, so me no know ya, man.
Just relax, that's cool. You know me I do this because of you.
Alright then. If
If you know if you want to come over here and deal with you and let off the money, he will do it because of me. Because he come and he asked me for a second chance in my life. You know he never did it from morning and he asked me for a second chance and I said okay. And he always said to me from there saying hold me.
Hold you, yes. But anything you say?
So I asked him for this one thing he must can do it. One thing more I know and doing. Put all fun and joke aside. Daddy respect you, you know. Daddy never yet talk bad boy. I swear upon my life. He always asks me how you do, how your health and how if you're alright and so. He said just one mistake he say make and he regret it.
Mistake?
And he said if he could have go back and do different.
A planting that, you mean to plan?
Mommy,
Mistake.
just give it a try, please, my bigger. Just for me.
Give it a try. Me don't hear what you're saying, no? You're going to make him come drop off money, but the only problem is I don't want him female go feel like say me and him in a things.
Nah, nothing against it. Mommy, all the day me go a bar and him a drink. And your mother give me a force youth, you know, me love and respect your mother for a long, long time, you know. And she give me the first youth.
And I saying cheat somebody will give me first youth. Run off and come back and still not do it right.
He just says it's just a situation that happen. He just have to make a decision then.
Enough about your father. Right now. Right now begs me. Me not gonna miss you, you know.
I'm gonna miss you more, Mom.
I'm gonna miss you, Jesus, please. Oh. Boy, I'll get tired of them. Watch it. No, don't see you today. Kuya.
I don't even know, Mom, I get too tired. Boy, look when the time, Mom. I have to go now, you know. I have to go now. Oh, boy. A night flight, me I want to see at 1 o'clock now. I'm reached 2 hours early at airport.
Oh, and then I have to go over here, dirty papa. Alright, safe chang. And please, try not get us. I'm one picnic. You understand?
Yeah. My mom just stressing at me, say me not going to run off.
Believe in you,
me alone, I have no to take care of you. So I would never run off.
Believe in you.
Alright.
Father God, just guide and protect myself. Guide and protect the flight when I go on. Give a safe journey. Keep on protecting me.
Mommy won't even understand right now. I swear. Doctor tell me say if anyhow she ever get a neck strokes, I hit that fear. So my father just come over here and check on her. She didn't even know say I know even money problem. I just want my father come over here and check on her, give me an update. I don't even want she hear me attack. I don't even want she go stress out herself because I love worry too much. Just cover our Father God in the meantime, in there, please.
Why, Father God, I tell you, life is a way. Remember a couple of years ago, we fly out and go foreign for farm work. And I run off, I follow people and run off and I get stuck over there. A long time before I sort out myself. And even when I sort out myself and come back, my son turn a big man, I get to be a part of my son's life. But Tugga forgive me. And even my baby mother when I left out here at the time, he move on. You see me? Although the whole line money I look about my passport, everything. I him give me. But see you know my son a fly out. My son a fly out up on farm go look better for him and his mother. Father God, I beg you, just guide him on his journey and first flight to America. Thank you. What on baby?
There's no reason with God, what happened to you?
Yeah man. You know what I say? Always a reason with God, I just a pray for my son because you know me tell you, say my son, I look out some paperwork to fly out that friend from farm work. So he come through and today I fly out at a Tugga.
You come through me?
Yeah man, you know.
God, me happy to hear that.
Yeah man, me know say happy, my baby
A
man.
long time you want something like this, you know?
Yeah, because I remember saying that to one of work, you know. And because his mother kind of want to look up strokes, we run up in blood pressure and lick him. So he could come back down and yeah, his mother sick, you know. So he come back down and help out his mother. Yeah. So all I look for money when you have now is store up here and put together and you know, look about him passport, visa and everything. So I fly over. So I go look better for him and his mother.
Me happy to know.
A boy will love his mother, you know.
Yes. And you know what? We feel like if ever you did grow up like that, I have a mentality there, things are better off in our country, you know?
And you know, so I feel shame all over. Because I remember say, no disrespect, you know, my baby. When me and his mother used to die, you know, when I left Jamaica, you know, a young little boy Tugga, you know. Yeah. And then I got a friend from farm work, you know, all that money when me spend up on visa, paperwork, passport, plane ticket, and his mother give me savings. Really? And I follow my friend them and run off. And he run off and now my son mother move on with his life.
Yeah, miss out for your son.
Me miss out for my son. Me never talk about my baby mother, you know, but me miss out for my son life.
But you can't feel guilty and fight yourself for that. You run off for a better good.
Well, that's true, but me still feel away. Yeah, me still feel away. So me miss out for my son life. But I come back from foreign and you know, as me say, my baby mother move on and me talk to my son, me beg him, me apologize. And he give me a chance, and now, although I'm a big man, I try to play the role. Yeah. So I'm really proud of that, and I saw me buck you.
Well, you can't get back in childhood days, you know. You can't get back in childhood days. But you know, now that he grow up and understand,
yeah, man, he understand.
Try to build a bond with him.
You know, so me and him have a bond, and I don't really want to mash it up. That's why anything he ask me for, cause I give him some US for there, you know, because me now want good job, you know, yep. And I work out good money.
Yes.
But babes, he say he want to talk to me, you know, he may be up on his way come, cause he soon forward, so he want to talk to me, but I don't know what you want to talk to me about, but I have an idea. You know, I have an idea where he might come talk to me about, you see me? Well, I just wait till he come, because he said he might go make the car pick him up, so. And then he left and got here. But I'm just proud of him, I swear to God.
Yeah, be proud of him.
And also I'm proud of you.
And well, if you go through and reach back here, so no one can look back in yourself as a father and say, boy, I make a move, you know, but do it for a better good.
Yeah, man.
And why my son grew up without me,
yeah,
you know, as a father.
Tugga grow big, me can't believe it.
Yeah, come
Tugga
back
call
now.
on me, you know.
Eh?
Jesus Christ, Father God.
You know, happy to see him grow and a big man now can manage himself. Did the mother go make a move now like what you did make?
Then I see him and take care of his mother. Remember so long his mother not work because his mother ain't catch strokes, you know.
And his sister take care of you too.
Why, one of them days there, my baby.
Yo, Pop.
Tugga.
Oh, go on.
What go on? There, I'm father, man. I pray.
Right?
Can see happiness by your face, man. Say, jump out, fly out. First time over foreign, the boy.
Well, I can't wait to go up on the plane there. Chelsea, I don't know if my father did explain to you still, but get an opportunity to go overseas, go to farm work. Better opportunity for me and my mother. You see me?
Tugga,
so,
I best news me here from the year start. I know say you're happy, I know say you want to change, and I know you're going to make me happy, Tugga.
You know, me just tell you what I respect. You know,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
a stepmother.
Respect, man. The father did show me a pray, but he never tell me till today I go. Me just understand that this morning earlier before you found.
You know, he beg me say to keep it as a secret, so me know. You know, yeah, you see me?
Yeah, man, that's what
Yeah, man.
Just do your best, man, and stay focused. You understand? And this morning, I come outside. I see your father sit down right just up on the car about it. And I pray, man, I pray for you, not over. We catch him on a reason with God about you.
Oh boy.
So, I know say God do well.
Yeah, man,
I
I do well,
expect you to
man.
do great.
Pops.
Yes, daddy.
No, this is what I'm going to say. Me tell us,
Oh, you want to talk to me?
Yeah, man.
Oh, alright, me a forward. Yeah, man. Me a forward, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, my boy, you tall on me, I know I'm sitting. Boy, I'm really proud of him. Son, really proud of him.
Boy, daddy, I want to talk to you about this. Remember, you say you owe me one, you know. And you like me want to bring up back nothing, you know, in the past.
I bring up back, Jimmy. Who you for choke, you give me a chance in your life. When me run off, go up on farm work, you know. Remember, say your mother give me money, you know. Look about my visa, my passport, all of my paperwork, them, you know. When me go look better for him, you know. And through me follow a friend and run off, you know. When me come back to Jamaica, I move on with your life and me move on.
That go to the fact that when I did run off, even though mommy help you with everything, you go through a situation where they look better for yourself.
And me I go respect your mother. Me I go respect your mother as long as me live. Me I go respect him. Cause me remember where me I come from. And he make me there where me there.
Yeah, they look better for yourself, and so sad that time run over. Me grow up.
Yeah, man. Me sorry about that, man.
When I come back, mommy move on with her life.
Because she couldn't wait for me and my fault.
You move on with your life.
Move on with my life because I can't wait for him. I just saw things set.
And I grew up so big that it was too late for you to even come in my life.
Yeah, because I never in your life. You grew up without a father. The first time you go to school, me not there. The first graduation, the second, me not there. You think me proud of that? Just because me I look better, me absent out of my son life. And I come back from foreign because I straight myself, you know. You give me back a chance in your life to make up back for when me pass, me mistake when me make. Bro, me do anything for you because you're my son, G. You see me?
Yeah, that's it. So, you just bring up that to say this.
So what?
I want you just give her eye over here, the mom. If she...
No, what do you mean?
Just give her eye on her, man. You know, say she's sickly.
Yeah, me know saying sick and you have strokes because landlord throw him out and you in that town at work. And you have to come back down here, left for work and come back down here. Take him out of the hospital, carry him over your one room and put an extra bed in your man, move out because he must say your mother violating space and things in rough for you. And the doctor said if you get a next strokes like that, maybe you're not going to see him again and your girlfriend will look better. But
that are the next big hole apart when we going to keep a night. Daddy, me over there call me.
No, just explain what you say.
Daddy, what me I try to say is, I want when me gone over, I'm in a sickly yet. More you can go over yard and give mommy a money in her pocket. Even though me left 1 month worth of grocery over there and me get 20,000. My brethren will carry me to mobile and him borrow 20,000 from Daddy. Me I tell you the truth.
So you borrow
this
money?
This me I say, Daddy. Me try all of the money that me have, me save up, me use it look about me documents them to go over. My account empty right now. Right now they ain't got to close my account because no money in there.
So the US when me give you some you to spend over there.
Me change them out and use them.
Okay. Just listen to me and say, when you listen. You see me a boy, me don't forget where me I come from. Me remember where me I come from. Me don't know where me I go, but me I try to focus on where me I go. Mother one good mother, you know, and she give me the first youth, you know. But you know me and your mother have a difference because
Daddy, me just beg you, please, me just want you just do this one thing and me ask you. Please, me I beg you.
You want me to say nothing over. Me not have a problem to bring my money come give, because watch out, all if you never ask me one think about it. But me not have a problem with your money come or give your mother and make sure that she alright to you come. You not have to pay me back no money, Tugger. You not have to pay me back. Because remember, you know, bro, when me get my opportunity to go over there, your mother give me, but when me I say,
Daddy,
me don't know if
a
your mother go okay with that tugger.
Me all think about for run off, but me I say me nah go do it.
Tugger.
Because she have me alone right now.
Delete, erase that out of your mind, brother. All that, you see if you run off right now, dog, yo, them are people that when you buy married and try to straight now, you know it I go through, you know Trump a deal with over there now, bro. All the disease when you talk about, rat, big things that go on in America, dog. If you work good, a 3 months ago, if you work good, them will give you 6 or 9. You understand? Nobody think for run off, dog. You alone your mother having this world, bro. As when me say, find out where your mother say, cause me personally have a problem. If you care money, go give me a week time till you sort out.
Daddy, me done they explain this story.
So where she say, cause I want face too, man, you know. And me and him
We
not.
just tell her if we just soul our pride and just work.
Me do that for you, man. And you know, no. One more thing, me G. You know a woman stay. Cause me have a good woman in my life and everything. So you know me have to explain and tell him. Cause me no want people go tell him say me have go over. Me baby mother yard and people put it the wrong way. So you know me have to explain and tell him. You
Let's do it and if you do that.
And one more thing, my father. Really sorry. See me run off and absent out of your life all this year. I'm really sorry. I thank you so you give me a second chance as a father in your life. You see me? But just go over there, go work hard, do your best. You see me, my father? I'm really proud of you. You understand?
I do right, man.
I know you care to come.
Yeah, you have meet me.
Alright, yo.
Alright,
Watch out, daddy. Respect,
Alright,
man.
safe travel, Tugger. Take care of yourself.
Love you, my son. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Alright.
Babes. Cha-cha, you.
Babe,
Yeah, babe.
this is where I miss him already. Can't see it, you know?
You see, man, you must say me absent out in life this longest while and just get back a chance in your life, you know.
Yeah, but you get big now and a film time to make film decisions, so you can't hold him back on that. You have to just
man.
give me a chance to explore.
True, man.
A film time I there, I know for shine, and a film life.
Yeah, man. Take care, my son. Be careful on your road. Drive safe. Love you, my son.
I don't know. Just go and hold him, man.
Babes,
After a while, he will come back home.
basically, when me and cause me not tell us my son Tugger say he want to talk to me before he fly out. But basically, when I talk to me about, which me kind of have an idea, you know. Me no know if me tell us my son, me tell me say mother, he going a stroke so there because he dropped down and he Tugger left him work, in good work from town. You see me? And when he left him work, come down from town, and go to my hospital, moving him in a house. We shall Tugger lose all in good woman. That woman is a nice woman. She's just a good woman. But because Tugger moving, his mother in the one room, because the landlord threw him out. Me never know the things are going so bad. For Tugger mother, because me there and me no know, because like me and his mother talk. We see one another, we say hi and ray. So Tugger make me know what going on and we not crying and everything. So I say, boy, moving him. Because you can't manage the 2 rent now. So Tugger losing woman. So what happened now? What Tugger do now? I say, yo, this now go cut if your mother fi live in a one room for the rest of your life. So you look about the farm work and thing there. So you come through. So you GSM I got a friend go look better film and your mother. But when you want to talk to me about now, you must say. And really tell my son business about you. I'm a woman, I love you. Yeah, I'm a baby. I love you with everything when me have and when me not have and when me soon get and when me not go get. But when me say now, when Tugger ask me to do, he bring up back all the facts say. Me absent out in life, me not watch him grow. Because me never there because me run off on the farm work program.
True.
And the farm work, the whole of the money when me get, no disrespect. And my mother will give me all of the money to pay for work. I just to me run off and he move on. Me move on and bucky, but him ask me if, because him say, he left 20,000 give him mother for him borrow from the person who came to the airport in friend. And he left 1 month out of grocery. So he must say, Daddy, please, me ask you. Just give a for my mother and just left one look money give my week time because I say me know me now want good work. You understand?
Yes.
So me I tell him say yo Tugger you what going on no. Me now have a problem you know. If you go over there and give your mother money a week time because you're my son and me owe you. But me no want to go over there and nobody can see me I go over there and go tell me woman because you know people mix up and fast. So me have to tell you and ask you what you think. Because I must say soon as he go over there and settle in and work,
yes,
he might go send back the money come give me. I ask him, so who does that? Who does that? Me don't want back that money there.
What be?
So I'm just ask you your permission and what you think.
You know say I break it down slowly for me understand.
Yeah, baby.
attentively what you say.
Yeah.
You know, say, alright, that's what I sit down. And I overheard the conversation, you know.
That's how we are chat loud.
Not necessarily loud, but me there listen to hear what I talk about. I
Well,
know,
me-
say,
you
and
know, me not
I
hide.
eavesdrop, you know, me just want.
Me not hide
You
nothing
want-
from you, baby.
Me know, but the sicker for everybody. Me
Yeah.
not have no problem if you have to help or out. Every now and then. Me not say me be comfortable 100% for you to go over because of your baby mother.
Yeah. Me,
Right?
me overstand, and any ladies, me like how you come down and talk the truth.
Yeah, me not comfortable be. Me I tell her the truth.
Well,
but
to be honest, me just
she
do it
need
for
your
my
help.
son.
And
No.
are your baby
My
mother
son
and your
need
son
me help.
mother.
Yeah,
And
my
your
son.
son need your help.
So as me son me get paid, me just give him a little change a week time till Toga settle. Cause him go work, him go over there go work, so him soon settle.
take care
So
of
you
her.
sure you're okay with that? Cause if you're not okay with that, you know,
Be-
me can just line up his sending. Go get Toga and Toga sending go give him and me find somebody go give.
That are too much. Toga need his own time and his own space to process film business for himself. You can't put that pressure upon Toga already. You're not even left yet.
Thank you.
You're not comfortable with it, but more you take your time wherever you can help or wherever the help is needed,
Yeah.
render your support. That's all me say.
Just thank you, baby. That
Welcome, baby.
it mean a lot to me, because I just feel like I still need to make up for the time I'm absent and blank out. You see me, I delete myself out of my son life, so that mean a lot to me.
When we need you the most,
Come here, baby,
as
give me
a
some hug.
child, I grew up, every boy need their father, you know
Give
that.
me a next up, baby.
So,
I love you. Okay?
me just want you to take your time and assist where you can assist, and I'm not comfortable with it, but take your time and do what you can.
No, you see, now
Anybody
you know,
can assist, I want somebody to
You know
help.
what I say? I went last me tell you something love you last week.
Just a while ago, tell me.
Let's go. Let me show you. Me go show you.
You want to show me how much you love me?
Hold on, baby. Hold on. You know what? Soon come. Just give me a minute. I'm going to pop it up. Soon come here. Yeah, man. Me soon forward.
But I tell you, you know.
No, baby.
You promise to say you go show me and we
Yes.
fun.
Me not turn long. All the time me I don't turn long when me forward back.
Alright.
Me I show you how me love you.
You go wait.
Yeah. Cause last time I come 1 minute to come like me have video about 5,000 because me down.
No man, I give me bun all the government, no.
Pop it down,
You
ram.
know, say I over fear black me just say me a
I feel
fall.
black me I can link you.
Yo.
What one?
And your youth me just see a while ago, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me see when the car a drive out of the lane with him.
Man, look a mini car.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
and
man.
I tell you, say, me see when he put the suitcase in the car.
Jesus Christ.
Hold on. I the work the way you saying that line up and I think gone pan
Yeah,
now.
man. You got a friend pan farm work, man.
Me glad for him, you know.
I want rough time in my
Boy.
boy, you know, you know, cause
Tolerant.
Trump around the place, I know, you know.
Boy, me
I come to tell you, you know.
like you
You
about
hear me
Donald
happy.
Trump.
Boy, me sad, but me happy cause
Sad for him, but you just glad for
me,
him.
yeah, daddy, me everything.
I know
want.
why I'm glad for him now. Because him, me mother depend on him, my only
Right,
help right
yeah.
now. Yo, the youth a come from far, you know.
Four, I come from without
You
a
know me
father,
feel
know.
bad.
I come
Eh?
from four without a father.
You know me feel hurt when me hear say woman walk and left him. When the youth mother sick in a youth. I mean I tell you say the youth bring in him mother and put another bed in a room and woman can't left him, you know.
A woman ain't
That's
good
why
woman,
I tell you know.
But he ain't good enough.
Yes,
Kind of
sometimes you have some people in your life
sick.
where they feel good in your heart but they don't feel there in your life. They will stay in your heart but not in your life.
And watch you know, the youth left in good work from town, you know.
Don't go
down
and take it right, mother.
when you hear say mother in hospital, you know, because his mother stress out. When can't pay him bills, the man in work, and plus the man in man when he left when me here, cause me know them something. And when he drop down, me know, cause like me and him kinda, me go see him and me say hi and he say hi. And the youth left him work and couldn't go back at town, we get our next work done when they not pay much.
Why?
Put a bed in a house.
Father God set the way for him. I hope
See
he go
that
over
now.
there and remember him mother see me and me know him go figure thing
How
mother.
much US me give him a day?
Aye.
Me give him whole heap of US body.
But all the same, you know, you play a part for him, you can give a second chance and then you have to give.
Watch you know, before him go, me just tell him say, yo, Toga, me really sorry for absent out of your life. For you grow and you don't grow that father. I'm really sorry. Me do anything. And you give me a chance in your life since me come back from
So how long you go on the work over there? 6 months? 1
I
year?
think a 3 months, you know,
3
but him say,
3 months.
then say the agent say if he work good, maybe he get one next, he get 6 or he get 9. You see me?
That wonderful mother
So,
will be go over there.
you are going to know puppy down when me really want to contact you about, because although me say to me woman, you know when see a scratch or a itch,
Yeah.
well, let me tell you what I go on now. Before me tell you, you know when me first time me fly up on for America, remember how you go?
Yeah, man, remember your whole history, man.
Dry foot.
When you go over there and you did follow friend and run off,
And run
man.
off.
And your baby mother give you money to go over.
everything.
Yeah, man, remember your whole history, man.
Remember say, before me run off, you know, made up and corner about weed, about I look butter years girl. How when we can't get no butter years girl, we go over bridge, go buy them, and need sometime we no perform good, and you know go back no money out of the money. You understand? And
but remember, say when you did all gone over, so you know, when you run off, you know. Remember, say for me business, it come on news, you know. And the government, me say come and contact about my business, and I mean, you know.
The government know everything.
Me woman a give me money and the government know.
You see the something that we then give the name?
The vaccine.
Me ain't get none say now.
You ain't get none over there?
No, me ain't get none over there at the time. So then you hear what me I say, but anyway, Puppy Dan, just tell me what you think. You know, so my son come and link me and I say, Daddy, no disrespect, you know. More you do me a favor. So me I say anything, my son.
Yeah, man, everything, anything for your son.
I say, Daddy, and I bring up back the past, you know.
True.
But remember, see your name absent and growing in my life.
That's true.
And me I say, me sorry about that, man. And I say, Daddy, just listen me now. Just listen me. He must say right now, he must fly out, go foreign.
Yeah. God.
And he left 20,000 give mother and 20,000 of money and 1 month out of grocery.
Oh God.
So he must say, Daddy, I borrow from him friend who came to the airport.
They took back side, me tell you, I want good youth, you know.
So he must say, Daddy, you know one good job here now. And you make money and you say you owe me, no, Daddy.
True, you owe me, you owe me.
So he must say, Daddy, yeah, your mother, he say me and my baby mother have a difference. And me no respect each other because of the youth. So he must say, Daddy, what more you do for me? Please, give me one money a week time.
So what you say?
Why, me tell
I
him
hope you do the right thing when me tell him about
yes, no, but
correct.
Well, me tell him yes, and he must say, the most important thing, because 3 mother when drop down, he said the doctor say, if he get one next chokes, I hit that. Bust like a balloon. Bust like when jelly drop.
So that means that somebody if it did it, if you watch over her.
At that my son is saying now nobody can say if me have money and pay somebody for watching mother. So me I say now, me say son, remember say me have a woman in my life. And me have to put it to my woman.
So your woman so you tell her.
So wait no, me I tell my son say, me not have no problem. If you go over there, go give your mother a week time and make sure saying, alright, but me still have a responsibility, me still have a life.
True, because you know you have to take
care your mother move on and me move on and just
True.
respect the daughter, baby mother and baby father and to the youth.
True, man.
So he must say, me not have no problem with you, but if your mother okay with it, me okay with it. So he must say, talk to your mother already, because your mother face you know.
What you mean?
Maybe your mother chink, you know.
What you mean if she face
you understand? And chink them in a bed, you know. So anyway, he say me do it then, so he must say, thank me. You understand? So me say me go talk to mom about it.
Alright, this is gonna make me not tell a lie.
Puppy, me never tell man say me love him yet, you know. Me tell my son say me love him, you know.
You one
boy.
What
a drop out of me, you know.
You one boy.
Boy, me I tell you. So anyway, woman forward. After me I tell my son to be drive safe and everything. And me I tell him what go on. Me tell him me not hide nothing from him because me love woman. Me tell him. So he must say over here, sir, me the argument because no listen me not listen. And he must say, boy, me ask him one thing, tell me the honest truth. So he must say, boy, babes, are your son, you do you favor for you know? And me kind of feel away, kind of woman want feel away, but just do the right thing for your son. And me glad you say it to me because I overhear it. So me really feel proud, but he must say he feel away over 3-4 times. So if he must say that, that means he see the scratch. You see the itch.
It's a
cockroach
itch,
in a rain now.
True.
You understand? The rain and fall, but it's a not. You understand?
I tell you coloring book. Me kind of glad still, you know. When your son tell you what to do and you do it, you know.
What you think? You think of the right.
Oh, you mean if I right move you make? Remember, so when you go, you know, and you never have nothing, you know. Your woman look about your passport, and she deal with the visa, and she play a plane flight. Then what did it happen to your birth certificate? Why? And then she go deal with it.
Go deal with you, you know.
Oh God, man, she deserve it, man.
I
tell you.
Run off and go follow friend and run off when me come back, he move on.
Sometimes
so
we
me
move on pride aside.
So I right move me make.
I right move.
I just that more one that me come
check up. She make you get your youth in the man, your first youth in the man.
Plus, me love my woman, so me glad my woman understand, so me just glad say the right move on.
Right move you make.
So where you up on?
Me say I there, so me da come check you, cause me I say how your son gone today, you know, tell me already, tell me say ma go away. So that me da come check you about.
You know long me not tell my woman say me love him. Me tell him look while. I strap me, I go strap him up and brace him up in and nail him up in and square him and level him.
Go look about it then.
No, cause you go down and go drink 2 shots of rum and go back and go strap him up.
Our shorty.
Shorty down there? No, me can't go shorty bar, more with my money. What you don't Miss Alice?
Yeah, man, come on,
You
no
know,
good
so me
on
never
there.
trust you Miss Alice yet.
No, man, we can make bill down there, man. You know, a few lane.
So you are going now. You so you go down there.
Yeah.
You could be the money me for that work. Me no get paid. We are gonna make a bill, and then you get a call. Say, you go shit.
Hold on, who go shit? Me or you?
You go ride the bike. You.
Okay, yeah.
So me I go did you know order 2 more beer.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? I mean I say where boy puppy down the man. From when you say you gonna ride the bike, man. When if
So, you go cut and kill like I'm if you pay a bill?
no, me I go tell him say me I come look for you. Me
Oh.
not go back till me get paid.
Oh,
You
yeah,
not
me get
understand?
what you say.
Come on.
Ready.
Sis! Chelsea! Where are you with? Come out here, so come. A long time I don't see you, my sister. Long time I don't see you.
I get along so far like me did missing.
So you're not excited for see me?
No, me I say I go and like say me missing. Look how long you take to come call look for me.
Not really get too excited because I really come for Terry, you know. I just pass me a pass through and say me I go heal you up. But we're bossy there.
Yeah, it was a pass through.
We're big man there.
And me man you come to our TV. In Ghana on the road, go and check puppy down.
Sis, me tired for see you. A bossy me come to your official check.
It's a dirty boy. Yeah. You tap on me to look for me tell me say you tired to see me. They wait up for them. In Ghana on the road, we Ghana on the road, go and check.
Oh, when gonna do?
You go and check puppy down.
Oh, puppy Dan.
What happened? Something happened I don't know about?
No, nothing happen, sis.
Oh. Where they have with them man in Ghana on the road, go and check puppy down. You don't know what I do. Toga.
What do Toga?
No, do Toga.
Oh,
Toga get through with the farmer program and in Ghana foreign this morning.
a joke, yeah, me.
No, joke for me and be when
Sis,
just there,
that run.
just tap and check me a while ago and make you know say boy, in time and he ready and he got look about it.
Boy, you see if I no joke, yeah, make.
Me not make no joke, me serious.
Proud of that boy when he named Toga. He go through a lot, sis. Even though his father never in his life, he go through it, cause he's a boy we love him mother, you know.
And you see the whole up here, not true?
Oh, that boy they take care of his mother, you know, sis.
Proud of him, man. Happy
Proud
feel
of
me,
him,
happy
man.
so till.
Hold on there, sis. Couple months ago, his mother never catch strokes where him did have left from town and come down there.
More than for you.
What's your name again?
Alia.
Alia.
Me I no plan pizza line, you know, but that me want to talk to you about too. That me say me want really reason with you about.
She did survive.
Yeah, she survived.
Oh.
I just jokes because of pressure and something there.
One thing with that boy there when him Toga, you know, sis. He love him mother, you know.
I know.
Yeah, man.
Alright, with that said, me and be that reason about something. We overheard the conversation where I have with Toga before Toga go. But then break it down to me, and I understand the levels where I'm on. Toga they ask him father to do him a favor. No, me want you give me your honest opinion, brother, upon this. Your honest opinion, you know.
Yes,
on this.
sis.
So, me overheard them attack before Toga left. Because break it down to me and explain the whole situation to me, right? So me understand exactly what happened. So, he want his father to do him a favor by helping him to take care of his mother. Till he start out himself and depend on his foot when he can send money come to Jamaica to take care of his mother. Right? So be have to go make sure so she get a little money every week. She have food and little something there in her house and she depend track until things turn around for Toga. You might left for 3 months, 3 months. And if you work good, you might get 1 6 months or 1 9 months.
Sis, me not cut you. But why coloring book have to carry money go give Toga mother a week time? She not work.
She not work. No, brother, she not work. She not work because remember say she get sick, she get a strokes. And doctor said if she get one next one, I gotta hit that for her.
Okay, me understand, but yeah, me understand, sis.
But what?
Me I say like, so Toga mother not have a man or somebody we can remember say.
Brother, I'm not sure about him man, you know. That's not my business. But all I know say, for me man coloring book, a Toga father. And as bad as he may be, I'm not comfortable as a woman with this. I task I ain't go get fed up. I'm baby mother.
Yeah.
And she's sick. And as me saying son, I ask him to do a favor as a father. He might look up to his father now for man up and help him out in a situation like this. Because him just get the opportunity to go better off him life and his mother life of foreign. You understand? It's a farm work program. You might just turn out way and do well and get 1 6 or 1 9 month next time. You never can tell. You just want his support from his father now. If he help take care of her mother. Till he turn around and can make she get money to take care of herself.
In my opinion, I don't think that's one good idea. Because coloring book move on with in life. And his mother probably move on much months or much years now with fear of life.
I understand where I say, brother. And I listen to you attentively. But as coloring book woman, I'm not comfortable with it either. No? I'm not comfortable with it. That's why I maybe bring up conversation to you. But as a woman, sick of everybody. You understand? I can't deny him the right to decide to help his son and try to help his baby mother at the same time.
Sis, to be honest, I know you love your man and your man love you. But you probably feel uncomfortable there now if your man do something like that. I know your man is not the type of person if you give you a bun or if you go cheat.
Tibi.
So, give him a chance. See with him.
Tibi, I go give him the chance. You know what bother me? All fire tick. Easy if you like. My granny always say that. Me always say my granny say that. All fire tick. Easy if you like. So that Kwan baby mother, and she move on with her life long time, and he move on with film life with me. Me not so comfortable with him go over there every week.
Give him a chance, because you said earlier, you said earlier and say I'm sick that, so give him a chance.
Sick if everybody think about it for true.
Big up yourself.
But in the back of me not comfortable. I just have to go and work with and give me the benefit of the doubt.
Alright, sis, later.
Alright. They come more, brother.
Alright.
All for your tips if you like to true. I just hope I can trust him. And him do this with a willing heart. And nobody break for me one.
Why Poppy Danny fool? Me saying fool. Eh? Down to Miss Alice know the prank. Me tell the man say yo, go on like yo, don't say you go shit. You know when you am shit, eh? How you make Miss Alice catch up on the plan? Miss Alice jerk me. Oi.
Ready, Lala.
What go on, Lala?
There man, everything.
You know say Poppy Danny an idiot.
Why do?
Me and the man plan to go down to Miss Alice because we can't go down a bridge because we have one local shop bill there. So me tell the man say come here go down to Miss Alice because you go run a bill. Me tell the man say yo, just act like you want to ride the bike like you want shit. And then him a go now and then me a go say me a go look for Poppy Dan and then we not go pay the bill till we get paid.
How easy that?
Poppy Dan come to me and say yo, coloring book you not act like you want shit or we can't go and pay the bill. You know say the boy a idiot. Miss Alice drape me. And when he drape me, I miss adapt and run out in my field for the look and can't find the kind of belly in my way. Me say, me have left one of my iPhone down there.
Yo, Lala, you're not easy, you know.
Why, me I tell you?
Them day are past, you don't see over the yard me just a come from.
You go link your sister as usual?
Yeah, and she has shown me a one pray. Never know say your son fly out.
Togadan?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Till our date, oh, you not reach it. Yeah, man, he fly out, man. Good news, man. The boy gone to foreign, gone work. He gone to farm work, he gone work some.
You look like a junk, man. Like.
Me no junk. Me don't say that, me. He boy fly out, man.
Holy paramedic that drink, man.
Boy, me no know much wrong me trust now, but all me know my iPhone down there. Well, want get paid for go start them out, come over my iPhone. One of my iPhone.
So, brother-in-law, how you walk around and trust much?
I not trust. A donation.
Oh.
So, mama good? Over there.
Man, she good and alright, man. She over there.
Don't worry yourself. I know for me a business still, but I go make him tell me out back.
You're good, man.
Yes. Mama will tell me out. I know for your business.
Outside. What's up?
Alia. Why pray?
There.
Can come in.
Every week you come here, you come in though. So why you keep and ask me if I can come in?
I still have to ask still, you know. Can sit down. You know say I never get to link you last week. I'm really sorry about that because my pay kind of reached late and everything. So, you know.
To be honest, you know, my son kind of sent money come give me last week, you know. Because my son kind of depend on his feet and also he send me money. I say a full time now, you know, so I'm a good man.
Well, the last time I talked to him, I tell me everything in a process. But he still want me to give a hype on your car because your health and everything, you know, come on fully yet.
Oh.
You see me?
I'm getting there though. I'm getting there. But really and truly, I can ask one personal question. I really have to ask. I've been a try convince myself to not ask you, but I really want to ask you.
Yeah man, you can ask me man.
Why?
Why what?
Why you abandon me and took and run off and you come back and you didn't even apologize. Me patiently I wait for you to say, sorry, yes, me understand so you move on with your life, you know. Me move on as well. Me not look nothing for you. But at least an apology me I look for.
Alia. Alright, just listen. Just hear me out, please. We young. Very, very young.
No.
Me get an opportunity. You look about me, passport, visa, my plane fare, paper,
about everything.
We fly out, go up on a farm work, but look better for me and you. And we youth that are tugger when we young. I really appreciate that. But you see, sometime in a life when you're young, and you don't understand about foreign, you don't understand about life, you don't understand about certain things, and you don't want place and you see, remember the place where we in the whole heap we did from Jamaica, you know, Mobile, Kingston, Trelawney, St. Anne's, St. all both. You see me? I want bed ya so, one ya so and one there so.
Bunk bed.
Bunk bed. Me see everybody run off. Not really everybody, me see few people run off.
So you follow?
So me follow and run off. I never know the consequence me I go face. I even know say me have a baby mother, a woman, a young born son. Me run off and feel like when me run off everything will be good. True me want to come back to Jamaica because the 3 months when I run out. And you run when me run out now me have to dey all over hide from ice. Because me never know say me have to straight and all of them thing there. And when me straight and come back to Jamaica, my son a big man, Tugger a big man. You think it easy if you know say me run out because me I look better for full life in a them the time there. And me lose a privilege to grow my son, carry him go to school, in taking him first step. For he said, Daddy.
Me not think they look better for we, Colin. But to tell you the truth, I'm going to me just be honest. Me think say they just want to experience a foreign. I just that me can't say no better. And you saying all of this, me still not hear what me want hear.
So Alia, just listen. Me understand say you hurt and you want to apologize, but why if me not look better for myself and me never not look better for you and my son? Why when me fly come back to Jamaica, why me find your yard first and my son? And only if you know say you move on with a next person. Wish me plan for come back to Jamaica and maybe have a man where I talk about the relationship and never that serious and the man you could have feel thought about things.
Hold up. You can find Tugger I wear Pampers. Now Tugger a big man depend your own can fend for himself. And you expect me to sit down and wait for you till you come back after you run off? And I mean run off, you know, and you run off. Anybody decision make this up and you make it. I know your friend them and follow your friend. You do it because you have it in your intention.
I hear me Alia. Me young. I make
And
a
dumb.
wrong and dumb and make a wrong choice, so me I go live with that for the rest of my life. Whole heap of people out there young and make some wrong choice, so they have to live with that for the rest of them life.
Yeah, I know.
But just listen what me I say. Whole heap of time over there I get privilege. Even after me straighten out my life, I get privilege. When I could have married that woman and I come back to Jamaica. But me come back because me have my son and because me know say the opportunity when me get a you give it to me. But when me come back, you move on with your life and me not vex with you.
You could never expect me to sit down and wait.
Me not expect you to sit down and wait, but me I feel say maybe the relationship is not that serious. Me over there me tell people, me tell females say me have a woman with youth when me left a yard. When me I try to go back home, go apologize and fix back things earlier.
That me there do one night time till me get fed up. I keep on saying me have my baby father so
Aliyah.
come and take care of me. I was such a fool.
You're not fool, you know. Things just happen. Sometimes the breeze no blow. Which part you want it to blow. You see me? Sometimes when you want the water to come a pipe Monday night, you know, come choose. We have to just deal with it. Me make a wrong choice and me have to go live with it for the rest of my life. Me grow. My son grow without me in my life. Me make you out here and wait for me. Me apologize. Me really apologize. I know it hurt you. The moment when I come back and realize I couldn't have you in my life just because I move on and not your fault and my fault.
Listen me now.
It take me 6 months before me find a woman, the woman who I'm there with right now.
Imagine how long it take me because the man in Jamaica they don't want no woman with young baby. My son is literally in a primary school, grade 6 before me. Can't think about woman.
Aliyah.
Anyway, I accept your apology. Listen me, I forgive you in a coloring book. But I something I can't go forget. I
As
hope
me
you
say,
understand.
I understand. But if it make you feel no better, I'm really sorry. Not because more you feel better. I'm
No.
really sorry.
I actually get over it now, but I just couldn't get over the fact that you come and you never once come and say, Aliyah, I am sorry. Just tap me did what. And me get it now, so thanks for
Aliyah,
that book.
the only time me and you get are just the time when you drop down, when your strokes catch you and you're in the hospital. You don't remember nothing. Me come on much time come look for you, you don't remember nothing. And now my son beg me and ask me if me can get a yai upon you till he sort out. That's the best chance that me get you now. And see that now you can look at me and tell me say yo, you're not pray me because I never apologize.
No, I wasn't praying you. But I'm so disappointed in you because remember, you know, if me do something and you don't like it, me supposed to apologize. Me, yeah, my baby father, me your baby mother, right?
Aliyah, you are one good baby mother. And you give me youth.
know.
You understand? I'm really going to live with that and cherish that for the rest of my life. Me can't grow on that. And me glad need with time when me come back and I talk photography give me a chance. You need to tell him say your father no feel fault. But me just going to say this.
Me glad, me love and
Me just going to
forgive
say
you.
this. At the aunt, you see Father God know what I do, you know. Because how to tell if you never catch strokes. Your son will come back to town and left him work from town and come put you in one room and woman move out. And if you didn't get the farm work for you go foreign, me you no connect with me, you could have tell us I'm sorry. You see me?
Trust me, you would have to tell me sorry because I would have come to you.
Well, as me say, I'm really sorry.
And I accept your apology, okay?
And that means a lot to me. Thank you.
I accept it and I forgive you, man.
And
everybody make mistake.
as me say, so
But
two
me tell us
bills
that
here.
my son did done send.
I understand, but he asked me to do me a favor and he never tell me, maybe not get a chance. 2 bills after last week, and 2 bills after this week. And also, I don't know, just grab something. And one more thing, thank you. Because my heart free now. I can't really look in your face right now. You think it's easy for me to pass your road and call to you and not call to you more while?
Oh, it's okay, man. We are big people now, you know. We are not kids anymore.
Thank you, here.
Yeah,
I'll
man.
go over here now.
Okay.
For your health.
You know, say, me alright, me just did have few pills left to take, so I will take them and lay down. Because as I say, me almost drop asleep here, so. But, Karen, let me ask you one question. Final question I ask you. Your woman, me say one good woman you have
Chelsea?
now. Yes, me can say she's a wonderful lady. She don't have no problem or feel no type of way, so you come over here.
Aliyah, Chelsea is best.
Me can't see that. This
She's
is she make you happy.
good woman. And just like when me I used to have a relationship in my past, as so, you used to make me happy. Just like how you are one good woman, as so she are one good woman. She don't really feel that 100%, so me I come over here back and forth every week. But she just give me my respect and she just did it for me and she understand. You understand? So I kind of respect her for that.
I
You
understand.
understand? Although people are tell her bag of things, because I in an argument a couple times.
Tell
Say
about
people
people,
say
you
me
know.
I come over here and me and my baby mother gone back and one bag of things. But different from that, She's a wonderful woman.
I can see it because if I did ever make me know me would have feel away. Even if I not show him would have feel away. But I can see she a hold her composure. I tell her she a good woman. So cherish her. I'm glad to say you're happy. So make sure you cherish Chelsea, you know. Cherish her. Coloring book, may I beg you, please don't make you see a mistake twice. Don't make you see a mistake where you make with me and lose me. You make it with she and lose her. May I beg you, I want a good woman.
Thanks. Alia, I learned my lesson.
I hope so.
The hard way.
Yes, I hope so.
I have to go over now, you know.
Yeah, man.
Take care.
Coloring book, one more thing. I don't know if it's true because of my son, I can't do it, I don't know. I can't check up on me or I true me sick, but thanks, you never have to do it. You really never have to do it, and I'm really glad and appreciate you do it. Understand?
You know what I say? I tell you the truth. I first me smile, get the chance to smile with you. And I really enjoy. When I tell you the truth, I know say before your son asks me, say you want me to do something for him, I know when we want. But you are going to know now. I do it for my son, and I do it for you, and I do it for myself. Because my conscience is not bad, I never come get to apologize when I do it. And thank you for forgiving me here.
Yeah, big up.
Big up yourself here.
Yeah, really.
Baby mother.
Hi, sir. From bad to worse. And night I come down, you know. Night I come down and more 6 o'clock. Look how long be gone. First week, he come back early. Second week, he come back early. Third and fourth and fifth week, I go on a 6 to 7 week. I be a night him a come here. I want to know why more tell me say this Sylvia.
Babes, what you argue about? I'm here.
Babe, me ask you something. Where you come from? Nobody hug me up, you know. No hug me now, why you hug me up? Babe, where you come from? Let me ask you a question there. Where you come from, B?
Babes, where you mean me I come from? You know where me I come from?
B, me give you the opportunity, right? To help out your baby mother. Because your son asked for your favor. And as a good woman, be decide, say me I go do that and me do it, don't it? Alright. The first week you go over there, you come home early. Second week, you come home early. Third week, fourth and fifth and sixth are going to 7 and 8 week. Be a night here, come home. People are tell me, say, you cock up on veranda, well comfortable, your foot put up on chair and set you over there. People are tell me, say, come like your baby mother gone back.
Babes, calm down.
What happened?
Calm down. You say me I come back, pay night like a man in my left. Babes, what you mean me I come back night? Are this man in my left?
Be all 4 or 5 hours you gone. We can't get no quality time with you again. As a queen, you say you soon come. And look how long you take to forward back, be.
Me ask you a question. When me left work, I go over my baby mother just 1 time a week. So left out the 1 time a week. When me left work and I come in, me go dance, me go party, me the right your foot down. Yes or no? When me there here and me the right your foot, my phone ring, no woman a call me, nobody a call me, much time I say answer my phone for me. Me put on party because me have focus on a better life. Me growing now. So babes, what you mean people are tell us me cock up foot? So if me and my baby mother gone back, why wanna just go over there 1 time a week? Why? Wanna tell a lie if you go over there and tell us whatever and whatever. Come on, babes.
How many knows I don't lie here tell me now? Say you not cock up foot over there for true.
When me go cock up foot for cheering you up and veranda for cock up foot, me and him just sit down and talk about the money and me never give me money last week and something. Come on, babe.
For so much hour, when you just sit down and talk about that alone.
Babes.
Babe, me give you a privilege to go look for her and make sure that she alright every week. You not give you permission to go live over there.
No, more you listen to me and listen good. You never give me privilege to go look for her. My son asked me to do me a favor, and me I do a favor. Me don't know what people are tell us. I don't know what you are think, what you feel like me I do more, I'm not doing more. Me I be honest. Me love you, and me know you love me. Me don't want to make people tell you things and then mash up the relationship. And me understand say you feel a way, say me I go over there. But you know say me and baby and nothing.
How me know that? How me sure? How me certain? So nothing now going to you and your baby mother over there. One alone over there. That's why for me granny that look for me and tell me, say, Chelsea, all fire tick easy to catch. Because I can't just drop off money and check for somebody and stay so much hour be. Me no stupid, me no fool. Me no born yesterday.
Babes, can I say something to you? Just hear me out. At the 4th, 5th time now me in an argument about this. And me I gotta be honest. If me was a woman in the shoes you're in, me want feel away. You understand? But at least me want understand and trust you. Realize say trust gone. Me overstand, me not bash you. But me I tell you something. Me no grow my son. My son grew up without me because me make a wrong choice and run off from farm work. And when me come back to Jamaica, me come back for me and my baby mother start all over back again. But you listen what me I say. She move on with her life. She couldn't wait for me. Me never vex. Me never mad at her. Me turn to my son and say me could get a chance. Me couldn't get a chance in my son's life because me neglect him.
Yeah, what I say? She move on.
She move on in her life. Just listen. Me never know you know my time there. No. My son give me back a chance in her life. And then me buck you. Me buck you. So now, me no want to lose my son again. So if him ask me to do a favor, me I go do it. You give me the privilege and the permission just because me ask you. And me tell you, me have to tell you, and me tell you because I respect you and I love you. So you see, if you ever lose faith in me, and you ever make people tell you things, from me I go over that woman yard, me never go in her bedroom, me don't know her bedroom stay. Every time me and her talk, upon the veranda. So all the people them now tell us say me and him a grind down the veranda, then like coming up on veranda, cut down, cause that you say all the time for you to easy to catch.
Yes, and you make your mouth say earlier, she move on with fear life, with fear man day.
Why you ask me no business about him, man? Me I do my son a favor.
Okay. You do your son a favor. And to me, you look like you do your baby mother a favor too.
Yeah, you me I say? I'm going to just listen. You know what I say?
I'm not supposed to jealous over you.
You're supposed to jealous, but you're supposed to understand.
You understand.
Have all right to jealous, but you have to understand. You see, if you have proof, say me and my baby mother and things and you have proof, you're supposed to take me and fling me over the precipice. My son, baby mother, my son mother dropped down. And my son left him work for Anton just to come take care of his mother. You understand?
I understand all of that.
Yeah. That's not your business, but me have to tell you because this is the problem what cause a relationship. And now my son get a chance to go for it and he just ask me to do one thing. Me bet you say if me tell my son say me nah do it, you want to cuss me and tell me say I'm wicked.
Of course, me would do that.
But now you give me the permission to do it and you tell me say me and my baby mother gone back. I swear to God.
You cannot drop off something and take 3, 4, 5 hours to come home. Nothing.
And your mind I tell you say me I take 3 hours, babes. Your mind and the people them want to tell you things.
B, no thank you, no thing. So look at time. Time no wait.
May I ask you a question?
Time.
May I ask you a question? So the people them want to tell you things, you trust them or you trust them, right?
Me not trust them, but me hear what them say.
You hear what them say and you listen.
Them talk about it.
So babes,
I think where people are
just listen
chatting
what I tell you
laugh
now.
me.
Listen, follow your mind because you have an option. You have an option to listen what your friend them say. If you leave me and if you left me, me I go bawl like a baby. Me I go cry, but me can't guarantee you me no want to lose my son again. And me no want to lose you. But me guarantee you, say if you walk out of my life, you say for the next 1 year or 2 years, you now go see me and my baby mother. You go see me with somebody else when me get over you. So if you want to follow a friend and do foolish, do it.
Me not follow no friend or no my friend. People are watch and chat.
People are watch.
For me say,
so people are sleep at night time.
Me idiot, me a big get bored because you're the over your baby mother yard.
Babes.
I do the things them and me sit down in the yard.
Which things? Which things, babes? Babes, you have a choice. You have a choice.
Yeah.
Make your choice.
Okay.
I mean, no, say if you make a choice and you leave me, it's going to hurt me, it's going to mash up my heart. But me guarantee you, you not going to see me and my baby mother.
Right.
You see me?
Look for see.
You see the friend them want to tell you things. If you want, you can't take your things them and go on with them. Yeah. Me can't believe so the trust gone. And friend are corrupt your mind against me.
So you know see I do nothing wrong. I'm not supposed to feel
me
no
do
type
nothing
of
wrong.
And
if you feel away, me I give the benefit of the doubt because you're supposed to feel away. But you're supposed to understand the man where you have in your life. The man where you come from far, not far, full.
See that? No. Color book me understand, right?
Babes, me
understand, but me have to feel away, me have to talk
babes,
to you about
just
it.
talk to your friend them. Make your friend them help you make up a decision.
This man, me I talk to him about how me feel and I try to express my feelings. After this gone out of proportion, I'm not supposed to talk. Me a woman and me have to feel that way. Yeah, me man, me have to jealous over you. If I were me that the predicament, how you would have feel? Or you would have feel to see I come home 4 or 5 hours after you say I go do something to somebody. You say me have a decision to make, alright, no problem. Me I go check my brother, because at first he never comfortable with this from morning.
Belly a hot me now. Make some bush tea drink.
Brother, TB, me want to talk to you.
I want to sis. Sis, I want to sis. Don't tell me say I arguing over there arguing, because third time to the fourth time you say go come and link me upon that, you know, sis. So don't come here so with no foolishness.
TB,
What happened?
and no foolishness. It a get to me now. How much months now? It be a go over and baby mother. We go check upon her and give her money and then kind of thing there. And he must stay at 4 or 5 hours. First week, second and third week, alright. 4, 5 and 6, 7 I got 8 week. I be how much a clock be I reach over. Me can't get no time with him again.
So sis,
no quality time. He always me soon come be and he over the field for if you drop off sit and give somebody.
so
you know just
sis,
drop off here and cut. What take him so long over there all the while?
me not cut here, me not blame coloring book. But no you say you're okay with that. Me even all here say him man say to you say yo, if you follow him go check him baby mother that time, ex-baby mother.
TB.
You tell him say no, so why you dey complain?
TB, me never comfortable with the farm man. Him just give him the benefit of the doubt. Me agree if you disagree. Because me won't deprive him of helping him baby mother because his son asks him for a favor.
So why you never go with him?
Me don't need to go and baby mother yard with him, TB. Because me trust him to go do what I do. But now me hear people that talk say, he cock up on veranda, foot put up on chair, well comfortable, and he over there laugh and chat and go on with themselves. He love enough meat on him plate. Me just feel like say, he might deprive me of the time I'm to spend with him and he must spend the extra time with she over there.
Sis, you know say you're unfair though. You know what though?
What me unfair with?
Cause him man look upon you and ask if you're okay with that. And you tell him man say yes.
What me need to tell him say TB no?
So you have proof?
Prove our Prove our what,
Say
TB?
him a cheat.
Prove say I must spend 4 and 5 hours over there. I don't know why over there they do so long.
Sis, let me break it down. A trust run relationship.
Eh,
And you don't have a proof. That's so you plead guilty at courthouse. You don't have no proof, you know. Say him man do nothing, you know. One time out a week when man go over there. Remember say man now go a road often like one time.
and the one time. And the one time for week when go over there and spend 4 and 5 hours, come like a whole week you must spend over there.
So I judge. You have proof. Say him spend 4 or 5 hours over there.
Then if you say over there I go to and take 4 and 5 hours to come back. No most over there I come from. Now you say now go road again.
Sis, come on. You come like I'm your belly at you and I know my belly. You want hold on pan the bush.
I don't want not with you in your bush.
So, even if you go over there, you don't think something can happen pan the way meanwhile he come back. But it can take him so long.
Look like you know something where I don't know.
I
But
don't
even
know
if you go over
anything.
there,
And sis, I don't like him and I go back and forth.
Uh-huh.
They even say black and forth. So, you stay there and listen to people and go do foolish and sorry after. Remember say a trust run relationship, you know. If you don't trust a person, it don't make no sense to go in a relationship with a person, see?
Good. And if I were you in a family situation, in a family shoes, how you would have feel? Me have you right for jealous over me man, a family man.
Sis, me not pick up for none of you. Yeah, me sis, coloring book of my brother-in-law. Me hear say the man look upon you and ask you say, if you feel comfortable or if you come with him and you tell him say no, that's okay.
TB, brother, me tired of it. Me can't go no more right now. Every week I see him thing, brother, me cup full right now till I run over. Me tired and me can't manage no more of this. Me done. Me just know me I go do. People say him and him baby mother gone back in the things and me can't do it. Me done, me tired. Me know what me I go do. Me tired. You see what the tired, me done.
Sis, make sure you don't make a wrong decision and go lose it. You better gain it all the way and all the time. Ask 5.
Boy, Puppy Dan, right now, I'm stressed out, you.
Boy,
I'm a woman in an argument again, you know, bro.
Hold on. I know about the same situation when I see.
Because people are telling me say every week I go over my BM mother. I mean I take 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and nothing go some, bro.
If thinking I street, you know. Me say if thinking I street, everybody have your talk about it.
Dog, I'm not really busy with people, you know, dog. I buy an idea, you know, people don't know nothing about me, you know. I did trust me I look for from my woman, you know. Cause she well and know say nothing me and my baby man and nothing, you know.
But you know say all what me hear in the street, me not believe it.
Don't worry if you believe
Because me know you now go black there so.
go black but do what?
Me know you now go back to
Me I do,
baby
my
mother.
son ask me to do a thing and me I do it, and by the end of the day, all the family baby mother ask me, I do it, see me out of respect.
Right, because you have to help out her. Because remember say already mess up, you know. You still have to just show about the respect.
Bro, people if you remember where them a come from. And if you don't know where them a go, then if you remember where them a come from, bro. People are tell him. Every minute me and him in an argument about it.
You know who me feel like I tell him to. You know dirty Susan. Susan we live right down the lane.
Me feel like Bridget I tell him we owe him some
Bridget,
rum.
what do go down the shop?
Oh you mean I'll miss Alice to maybe I tell him it's a daft
maybe you
time.
not pay Bridget the money.
But me pay him already because me get paid, dog.
Fun and joke aside, you know. You know, so me feel like if that go cause a problem in your relationship, me feel like say you can just get somebody, even me, you can even get somebody for just carry the money go give your baby mother. So you don't have to go over the way and your woman in an argument.
I chew you talking up then.
You don't want to lose your son relationship and you don't want to lose your woman relationship.
I chew you talking
so you have to just fight the boat buckle.
You want to puppy dan. Me even know say my son send money. Go gear.
A lie.
Last
things
week.
are going for you, boy.
Me never go over there last week because me people are coming for the right time. So when me go over there now, she tell me say, yo, my son send money that a tugger.
Okay.
So me just gear the money, see me because me plan for left her. But the most important thing was she have me up for dog, just because me go to foreign, run off of the farm work, and me never
make mistake.
Yeah, so me apologize to him and him tell me say he feel good you know. And she all see him and tell me. Say Chelsea I want good man and if you not lose Chelsea like how me lose him because everybody make mistake.
But Chelsea I want good man and just make people
me can't believe say my baby mother want to say that. Me can't believe say Ali want to say that, bro.
Me frightened.
But when the woman have me up for just to me just make a wrong move, brother.
Yeah, and she needed apologize to her.
And
you know,
tell me say, hear me no, coloring book, don't lose me, you know. Don't lose Chelsea like how you lose me, you know. And me I tell him say me grow, you know. Brother when me walk out, me can't believe say yo, maybe I say something like that, bro.
Boy, who does
you see
that?
Me? She does that.
No sir.
Me proud of her. But puppy dan, you know. Me I go over go talk to mama, explain and tell him. Me tell him say me sorry, but you know it begs me that me not like when I go tell me say people say me and she there.
And you know the biggest thing right now, it come like she alone trust you, you know.
They know that's the problem, because if you not trust me again, that means me.
Because you normally go over there and go to so now it's a problem. It might make people tell you foolishness.
All the 3-4 hours I talk about, you know, so imagine it, bro. Yeah. But you go over there to talk to her and everything still, dog. You see me? Because I don't really want to lose her. So
you hear from your son now, everything good and him communicate?
Yeah, me and him good, man. Him start send money come give him there now. He start out in paperwork and everything. Him good, I'm really proud of him.
Man.
But he must say, boss say, over there, you know, train work good.
Yeah.
The boss say, if it take 6 months, but he might tell the boss say,
come back now.
You know, he say, I go come back, come spend look 1 month with his mother. Okay, but me ask him when he come and tell me, you know that a boy just stay, he come like me, we not to chat things. So me I go just talk to mama,
but apologize like over there go and do your work.
Yeah, me I talk to mama, apologize again.
Alright, I say I heard there. Why? Me not tell a lie no. Right now, Miss Alice no want trust me again, you know. From me go down and shop to backside, Miss Alice no want trust me again. Come go make me more talk.
You know, from me I go school and we do test. And you see true and false. All when you put true, you put false. I see him we go do make the woman. Me tell you if it say you go shit. And you come and say, coloring book, you not go shit and we not pay for the rum. It's a fool, man. I can't believe him man no know style.
I say already, yeah, my friend.
Look come on.
Alright.
Done with this, me tired. We can't manage no more eat, man.
Babes. Chelsea, where you go?
Me I go when me done, me I left.
So what, Chelsea, so why you leave?
Me I leave because me tired from your baby mother business. Me nah live good, coloring book. Me nah live good. I be a problem in that house. We can't get no time with you. You're gone for hours and people that tell me say you and your baby mother gone back together.
Stop say people say. People are mash up me and your life.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask if you no go so near so.
If you near go so you still not have no proof, Chelsea. Listen what me I say. Don't make a wrong choice. Don't make a wrong decision because of what people say you still not have no proof. Answer me this before you go. You think me and him, alright, you have proof say me and him the back.
Think you and her in
that's how you.
Yes, me believe say you and her gone back together and I know I do the things them.
Chelsea, just listen what I say. Just listen. Me now go back over there. Cause my son send a money go give him last week. Last week when blank out, I never get to go over there. My son send a money, so I now go back over there. Me sorry. Although you tell me say me sorry. I mean not sorry because me and you not something. Me are sorry because me no want to lose, me no want you to cut. Me can't talk about this, you can't work out to Chelsea. Please.
I don't want to work out nothing, me tired.
Chelsea, me up on my knee. Chelsea, me up on my knee. Please, me I beg you, no make a wrong choice, Chelsea. Chelsea, I mean no. Coloring book, how far me here come from? How far me here come from, you know? You can't make two people who mash up a relationship, Chelsea.
Where we start, there's an end. Me done. Me done. Me sorry too. Me sorry too.
Chelsea no go. Chelsea,
sorry too, but me I go.
I couldn't make Mother's Day come and I not come look for money.
It's Holy Spirit.
Mommy, why you gone?
Toga, you come. Jesus
You know well, mommy, I know you're shocked to see me, but I couldn't make Mother's Day pass and I not come. Then
So
give me
can you call
opportunity
me?
to work 6 more months, but me I say, I can't take it now. I have to go down go look for my mommy and come back up.
Oh, Jesus Christ, my son. Come on, me look for you at 3 months now. Me not see them wait.
See me I get belly.
Why? My son there. Nobody can chat to me now, you know.
So, me carry this one day perfume, I save up my lunch money.
Jesus Christ, my son. Why, thank you. You know, say this morning, me there near me, I say, boy, Mother's Day come up and me nah see me son. Father God,
Mommy,
thank
I'm
you.
glad me come down and see. You never know, mommy.
Me so come, babe, me so come. Puppy dad! Me have news here, boy.
What go on?
Me have one new foul in there dead.
Aye.
You see the male support me get from around Nelsie as natural herb.
Hold on. Don't worry.
Don't go rock across on the total gas station. Rock it a fire, puppy dad.
Jesus Christ. Hold on. Nobody tell nobody say I run a Powell's Wellness executive from me, no?
Puppy, he reate a fire. Me have to go spread it with one of my classmates.
Me have something in there.
You have something in there? You want to switch him?
More something. Yeah.
You want to switch him?
Hold on, I'm rotted.
What that?
Remember say something we do.
Oh,
You guys made it to the end of this
Brand
movie.
new movie.
What you call? Favor for my
son.
You enjoy it?
You enjoy it? When you watch it,
Tell a friend, tell a friend.
And remember, calling number upon his scream.
Powell's
Link
Wellness.
up Powell's Wellness and
Nelsie as
Nelsie.
natural herb.
Ush.
Switch your girl.
Yeah,
Come.
Go in, no, son.
Yeah.
Puppy
Switch
Dan. Oi, ma, you clappy, come here. Go clappy.